What if turning a single sentence into a published Reels short took one click, not one afternoon? Building a UGC short by hand is a nightmare. Voice generators, avatar generators, lip sync tools, text-to-speech, plus an LLM to write the script, and an SEO platform to find what's actually worth filming. 5 subscriptions before you press record and at least an hour per video. Hire a freelancer? $200 a week, and they'll still need your subscriptions. Pick a Shorts, SaaS, $40 to $50 a month, locked in, $3 to $5 per video, and they don't publish. For that, you pay Buffer, or later, another $6 to $25 a month, or a freelancer $50 to $100 per post. There's a fourth option. This is UGC Strike Center, inside Citedy in your dashboard. 5 steps: topic, script, avatar, video, publish. End to end, one pipeline. Step 1, type a topic. That's it. Or pick a product Citedy pulls straight from your knowledge base. Stuck? Hit suggest from gaps. We mine your competitive content gaps and surface what to film next. Step 2, script. We turn your topic into a punchy, speech-style script in seconds, natural pacing, ready for camera. Step 3, avatar. Pick gender, origin, age, type, location, or hit random and let the system roll. And every avatar you generate is yours to reuse. Make it once. Ship dozens of shorts with the same face. Lower cost every time. Step 4, video. We stitch your avatar, your script, and on-screen subtitles into a 5, 10, or 15-second short, 9x16 native social format. State-of-the-art video AI under the hood. 2 to 3 minutes of generation, real-time progress. Step 5, publish. Toggle auto-publish on, and the finished short ships straight to your connected accounts: Instagram, Reels, and TikTok. YouTube Shorts is coming next. Publishing is free, we don't charge for the post. You get the post link back instantly, and you don't even have to be in the dashboard. Citedy is agent native. Point Cloud, Codex, Cursor, OpenClaw, or any bot at the pipeline. Tell it to ship a short every hour, while you sleep. Here's what it actually costs. Doing it by hand. 5 subscriptions plus an hour of your time per video. A freelancer, $200 a week, and you still pay for the tools. A short SaaS, $40 to $50 a month locked in, plus another $25 for a publisher. Citedy, one platform. From $1 up to $1.50 per finished, published short. No subscription, no publishing fee, pay only when you ship. Start now at citedy.com/UGC dashboard, agent API, or your IDE. The pipeline is the same.